How to cancel your trip on Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your trip on Expedia. Well, first thing first, can you cancel your trip on Expedia? Well, absolutely yes. Expedia provides a 24-hour cancellation policy. If you need to cancel your flight, you can do so without a fee within 24 hours after your booking. Now, for your convenience, cancellations can also meet by contacting the support directly. So you can head into app and looking for customer support. Similarly, now, as a first point of call, you can cancel your flight, hotel, or activity through the My Trips tabs on online website or through the Expedia app. So if you open up Expedia, you can head into trips. You'll have to look in for your trip. If you don't find it, you can search it with the itinerary number here by tapping on find your booking, and then you can go ahead and cancel it if it is available. However, charges may apply. If you are unable to do so, you can directly call the customer support at the particular booking that you made. So, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.